Hi Shadows! Today I'm going to eat Jjajang Bokki. Yum! First I need to boil some water. Let's plug this in. While we wait, we're going to open this. So we have black bean powder. We also have some veggie flakes. I'm supposed to put the veggie flakes in first. Now I have to pour it and reach the line here. Then we close the lid and then we wait 4 minutes. Alright, 4 minutes are up. Over here, it says push here, push here. Ah, it's hot. I guess I can use chopsticks. I'll try this one. I'm supposed to drain it, but not all of it. I have to be careful because it's hot. It's peeing, it's peeing. No, there's still too much water in there. I'm gonna pour some more out. I might have poured too much out. Should be okay. Let's take the lid off. Now we're finally gonna add this powder soup packet. It's time to mix it up. Just making sure that I don't see any more bits of powder. Perfect. Let's begin. So delicious. It's not as sweet as the other brands I've tried. All done.